What's up, everyone? It's Mac. I'm going to go over my trades from today, Thursday, the 27th of February, 2025. I ended up with two pretty good wins and two break evens. I took no losses today. So let's go over it. Try to sell here, not a good spot because this tree line and VWAP were bounced right here. It's before my kill zone anyway. So we come in neutral. Here's the open. Engulfing up, so we're kind of looking for a long. This is a strong rejection back down. This is the pre-market high I got marked in purple. And then this candle starts to print the sell. Now this candle is a monster. This was from 21,308 and the bottom of the wick was 21,186. So this was over 120 points total. So by definition, that's definitely a washout. But as I've said, washouts don't really matter on selling. There's a saying in trading, stairs up, elevator down. When there's a sell-off, it's a sell-off. It's going to move and it's going to be fast. So that's kind of what happened. So I still was hesitant with it being that large. So I waited for this candle to go. It traced back a little bit. I think it would have been more than 30 points. So this probably would have been a stop out. Actually, no, because thinking back, it plunged from the beginning. So 205 to 1. It hit 1-to-1 really quick and then came back and would have been a break even if I had bought this or sold at this candle. And then it wicked up pretty good, but then closed down here. So then when this one closes, I figure we're going to take the sell. So I got in here at 21,196.25. And it looks like it's a win, but it wasn't. It was a break even. We came all the way down here, hit the 1-to-1, and came back to the tick and got me break even before it continued plunging down another several hundred points. So that's why I have it marked here as BE for break even. It was not a winning trade, even though it looks like it on this time frame. So the sell-off keeps going. I'm getting FOMO. I wanted to be in this win. I wanted to sell. But I did not want to blindly enter anywhere down here because these candles were moving all over the place. I probably would have had to stop out. Then we get this candle that bounces and wicks. This wick is like 70-some points. This is a strong bounce. So this was not my typical trade. But our signal callers in high strike, we're talking about this being the bottom from the last several days. Let's see, we got to a higher time frame. It was down here. So yeah, this was the bounce here. Same bounce here, same bounce there. So we were looking for the bounce to be in that area. So as this wick hits, and again, this is a huge wick, I waited for this candle. It's coming up. I'm like, okay, we're looking kind of strong. Closes as a doji, but still did not come much past this level. This candle opens, and on this time frame, this looks like a loss, but it was not. I'm going to go to a 5-minute. This candle comes up and starts being strong. What I did is I bought right here with 1 micro. So I reduced my risk. I kept my stop loss the same, still 30 points. Took 1 micro, so I only risked $60. And I rode this bounce up for almost 93 points. I netted $185 on this trade with 1 micro. Now I could have let it go another, let's see. This could have been almost 200 points. I would have wanted it to get up here to 200 points, but it didn't quite make it. So I probably would have taken the same amount anyway, moving the stop loss up. But I got out right there, almost 93 points. For the long, not a typical bag trade, but I was feeling it. I felt it was worth the small risk. Risked $60 to make 180. That was a 3-to-1 trade right there. So then wicking back down, looking like we're going to come back down. This looks like a lower high. Then this becomes a higher low, it looks like, and Kyle actually signaled a long here. He got 60 points on the long here. Got a trim off, then got caught break even down in this area. So I have not taken a trade through here. I know we went neutral. I thought about this neutral close above the 21, but I just wasn't feeling it with the kind of sell-off we had earlier, and I was right because this would have been a stop. Then here at noon, we get our first sell signal here in the afternoon. I took it. I did not like this action. This is on the 5 minute. The 4 minute and the 5 minute signaled at the same time. Well, not there, right here. 12 o'clock, the 4 minute and 5 minute signaled. So we're down, we're come up, we're back down, we're back up, then we're back down and stay in profit. And then this candle comes down, we hit our 1-to-1, we go break even. This candle hits the 1.5 to 1. Because this is after 11 o'clock, I'm looking for 1.5 to 1 instead of 2 to 1. And for good reason, because you see it just comes past the 1.5 to 1 and bounces back. So if I'd been going for 2 to 1, this would have been another break-even trade. But this was a full position size. Took it for the 1.5 like usual. And at that point, I'm pretty much done. I've gotten 2 wins here. I've had an insane week. I've had 4 green days. I've had 18 wins and only 3 losses across 3 accounts. So 6 wins and 1 loss per account is what I've been doing. And I've profited like over $4,000 this week. So it's been an insane week with Bag. I may not even take a trade tomorrow, depending on what the price action looks like in the morning. Here was another one after 2 o'clock. This would have been a win if I'd taken a late trade. And still going down. But yep, that was my day for Thursday. Like I said, trade outside of my normal plan, but this trade came off of all the prior knowledge I've got of the stock market and trading. Is how I got a win right here. Not my typical plan, but I dove into my book of knowledge for trading and took this trade for a win. So we'll go on to tomorrow, Friday. Again, may or may not take a trade. I might just downsize. I've got 1 account ready for a payout, so I don't want to mess that up, taking a loss. I might just downsize to 1 micro for the whole day just to try to get a little bit of money. But again, might just take the whole day off. We'll see. So appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. I'm going to have more videos coming. I want you to learn the bag indicator. I want you to come to High Strike and learn everything about trading. Yep, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you later.